And put it there, and then later on you will put it away.
Okay, show me a quiet hand. Good. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do our multiplication of the day. So the multiplication of the day that we have is 3 times 8. Raiden, can you give me the two factors?
3 and 8.
Very good. So we have 3 and 8. 3 times 8. And what would be my product?
24.
24. Awesome. Okay, Gabriel, can you set up the equal groups for us?
3 groups of 8.
Good. I'm gonna do 3 groups of 8. Okay, and then I'm gonna do triangles for today. So 3 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's see now. Natalia, can you do the skip counting for us?
Sure. 3.
Good, you're right. I'm gonna start with 3.
Then go to 6.
Good,
Then go to 9.
good.
And 12.
12,
Go to 15.
15, good.
18.
18,
21.
21, good. 24. Awesome. Good job, Natalia. Okay, so when she just skip counted for us, can you skip count for us one more time, Natalia, so we could fill it out right here where it says write the numbers for skip count.
3.
Good.
6, 3.
I'm sorry?
Oh, you do that.
Yeah, I'm doing the skip counting, honey, not the repeated addition.
6.
Good.
The 9. 12. 15. 18. 21. 24.
Okay, so now let's do actually I'm sorry, the repeated addition. Jason, can you do the repeated addition for us?
3
3.
plus 3
Good.
plus 3
Good.
plus 3 plus 3 plus 3
Equals 24. Good job. Remember, we're going to turn this into a number line. So I'm going to put my 0. I'm going to make my number line. And remember, we're going to do our jumps. So I'm going to start to, so here's my first jump to 3. Then I'm going to do 6, 9, 12. What comes after 12, everybody?
15.
Good. 18, 21, 24. Good. I'm gonna circle my product. Good job. Okay, so for the arrays, so I'm sorry, for the arrays I have how many rows of blank? Davina? Good, 3 rows of 8. So let's go ahead and set it up. 1, 2, 3. So I want everybody to go ahead and set that up. Okay, Ethan, can you set it up for us right here? Can you tell us how many rows?
3.
Good. And how many columns?
8.
Perfect. Okay. Let me see. Robert, let's move on to our inverse operation. Okay, Robert, can you give me the first 2 factors and the product?
3 times 8 equals 24.
Good. 3 times 8 equals 24. And now I'm going to do the commutative property of multiplication. Aiden, can you give me the CPM?
CPM of 3 times 8 is 8 times 3 equals 24.
8 times 3 equals 24. Awesome. Very good job. Okay, now we're moving on to division. I see how Eli has his hand up. So Eli, when we do division, what number do we always start with?
24.
Good. We start with the big number, right? So 24. What's gonna?
By 8
Good.
equals 3.
Very good. Okay. Saul, can you do the next
No,
one?
that's
Okay, I understand you're stretching, but I would like for you to try.
24.
Good. Okay, I already used the 8, so which number can I use? 3. And what would be my quote?
8.
Very good. Good job, Saul. Okay, now for the word problem. So let's see who's gonna be our main character for today. Okay, Saul, have we done a story about you?
Never.
Never? Okay, so what do you want to do?
Yeah. Never. Yeah.
Okay, but it's okay though if we do another one. It's okay.
I want to go shopping.
You want to go where?
I want to go shopping.
Okay, so where do you want to go shopping at?
At Target.
At Target. Good job. Okay, and what are you shopping for?
2 Teslas.
Your
Tesla.
Okay, go. Okay, we know we're not gonna find the Tesla at Target. So remember, were you on what?
I just said this. I told you
Okay, so remember, we're getting 3 of them because are we gonna do 3 or are you gonna do 8? 3. Okay, perfect. Okay, so Saul. Went shopping at, remember Target's gonna be uppercase because it's a proper noun. So, I forgot. I always forget this part. So remember, when we have a word problem, it is also called a story problem or a situation. Okay, so Saul went shopping at Target. He purchased 3 Tesla cars. Period. Each car cost $8, so we gotta write that. How much did Saul spend in total? Okay, so I'll give you a few seconds so you can finish writing that. Give me a thumbs up when you have it written. Good job. Thank you, Matthew, for showing me a quiet hand. Good job, Raiden. Good job, Saul. Good job, Tina. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our 3 read first. Let's see now. Isabella, can you do the first read for us?
So when shopping at Target, he purchased 3 Tesla cars. Each car cost $8. How much did Saul spend in total?
Very good, thank you. Jude, can you do the next read for us?
Saul went shopping at Target. He purchased 3 Teslas. Each car cost $8. How much did Saul spend in total?
Very good. And Davina, can you do the last read, please? Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at here. So remember, we're gonna set up our sentence starter. So Saul spent whatever our total is. Spent dollars. I solved the problem by, and then we're gonna see how we solve it. Okay, let's see now. Ryan, can you share with us how you would solve it?
Saul spent $24. I solved the problem by using groups.
Using groups. How many groups?
3 groups of 8.
3 groups of 8. Very good. Okay, let me give you about like a minute or so you can like work out the problem so that you can give me the answer with words and numbers. Okay, remember, in our responses we want words and numbers. You already finished? Good job. Danielle, I see your thumb is up. Saul, you solved it too? Awesome. Then you know how much you're gonna spend at Target?
Yes.
You already solved it, Gabriel? Awesome job. Good job. Taking nice. I mean, playing on it. You made a mistake. It's okay if you made a mistake. Okay. Why don't you do the skip calendar? Why don't you draw the equation for us? Like how I did. Okay. So let's go ahead. Okay. Let's see now. Saul, can you please share with us how you would solve it?
Saul spent $24. I solved the problem by 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 24.
Good. So you use repeated addition. Good job, Saul. I like your strategy. That would definitely be a 2 because we have numbers and we have words. Okay. Let me see. Isabella?
Saul spent $24. I solved the problem by repeating addition by 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 2.
Good. Very good. Matthew and then Jason and then Natalia. And then we're gonna be moving on.
Same thing as Saul and Isabella.
Okay, you did the same thing. Okay, so you agree with them? Okay, good job. Okay.
Yes, explain it.
Okay, can you explain it to us, please?
Saul spent $24 because I solved the answer by doing
And equals? Very good. Who did I say was next after Matthew? Jason?
Saul spent $24. I solved the problem by doing 3 rows of 8.
Very good. Very awesome. And I like how you use a different strategy. And Natalia.
Saul spent $24. I solved the problem by doing equal groups, 3 groups of 9.
Very good. Okay, before we end, just show me your hand. Just raise your hand. Raise your hand if you used a different strategy besides the repeated addition or the equal groups. Raise your hand if you did something different. Okay, really quick, Lily, what strategy did you use? You did CPM. Okay, so how did you do the factors?
So I switched them up. 3 times 8 equals 24 and 8 times 2 equals 24.
Very good, good job. Okay, and rated, last one.
I solved the problem by doing skip counting 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16.
Very good, good job. You guys did an awesome job. Okay, so show me a quiet hand. Okay, I will dismiss you by table. So when you go back to your desk, you are going to take your multiplication of the day. You are going to put it into the pocket of your math folder, okay? And then we'll get ready for exploration time. Okay, so can I get table 1?